position and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises which help you warm up our hip so that we can sit and open our hands back. 2, 3, 4. Let's sit, take pillow and working, taking back. 3, 4 and 5. Our knees and back. 2, back. 3 and 5. Slowly slide and sit in this position. So 1, legs together. Slowly take our breath. Slowly breathe out. 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. Today we will do stretching our legs and mobility our body if you're interested. So the first exercise which we're starting to do, we will take our right leg more behind us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, working with 2, 3, and go. 4, 5. Take another leg. Okay, take our left hand and 3, 4, 5. Go slowly in this side. Take stretching our hands. So left hand and our right and stretch. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take in this side. Slowly relax and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your morning and have feel good.